Hi guys, this is Reena. Welcome once again to my channel Be Fit Together. Today I'm going to tell you very amazing, delicious and extremely helpful recipe for weight loss. If you take it once, you will fall in love with it and you want it to have it always in your diet in weight loss process, because it is not just only filling and nutritious but delicious also. So, without any further ado, let's get into the recipe. The ingredient we need to prepare this magical, amazing, delicious weight loss drink are 1 apple, half lemon, which is very good source of vitamin C, small piece of ginger. Ginger is very good to boost our metabolism. It's really help in weight loss. And we know that apples are an incredibly nutritious fruit that offers multiple health benefits. So for the recipe we need hot water. I'm boiling my water in an electric kettle. You can boil water on gas as well. While you're boiling the water, you can put some tulsi leaves. As I have tulsi in my green tea, so I'm not boiling it separately. After boiling the water, I'm pouring my water in the glass. See, in my green tea, tulsi are already here, so I'm not going to boil it separately. Tulsi is very good for our health. It's stress relieving. It's relief our stress and make us feel refreshing. If your stress is relieved, you will get good sleep. And if you get good sleep, your all the health condition will definitely become good and your metabolism boosts, and if your metabolism boosts, you will get weight loss easily. Now put 1 teaspoon of fennel seed also, and then mix it, the green tea and the fennel seed, and now cover the glass so that the green tea and the fennel seeds infuse. Meanwhile, the water is getting infused. I'm going to cut the apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. We know that how important is an apple. It is full of fiber, nutrition. It has many health benefits. Eating them is linked to lower the risk of many chronic conditions including diabetes, heart disease and cancer. Apple help to boost metabolism, so it helps in weight loss, improves our gut and brain health also. So always try to include 1 apple daily. Okay, now I'm going to peel off this ginger. This amount of ginger we have to just include in our recipe. Now after peeling, cut it in small pieces. Ginger is also very good as it boosts our metabolism, so help in weight loss. I'm going to cut half lemon on it and squeeze it. Lemon is very good source of vitamin C. Help to improve our immune system. It is very good during the time of pandemic. It also help to reduce our weight. So squeeze half lemon in the jar and then pour the infused water in it. I'm going to strain the water. See, the water is completely infused, the green tea and the fennel seeds. The properties of the green tea and the fennel seed have already mixed in the water. Strain the water in the jar so that we can grind it easily. Cover the jar and now grind it in a fine juice. This drink is gonna be very delicious. You will love the drink. You can have the drink in the empty stomach in the morning. It will help you to make you full for longer time. It will help you to lose your weight. You can take the drink twice a day. You can take it in the morning and at the night. You can skip your dinner also if you want to take it, because it is very full. It helps you to reduce a lot of inches through all your stomach. Your belly fat will easily reduce by taking this. This magical weight loss drink will boost your metabolism. It make you hydrated all the time. You will feel full for longer. You will not crave for sugar. It will help you to lose your weight, help you to lose your belly fat. It is very good to reduce overall fat. So I'm going to enjoy it. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Till then, bye bye, take care.